the haunting sound of wind chimes. For the Conboy family, these notes not only carry the unforgettable loss of their son Adam. Adam was a joy. Adam was a trickster, a prankster. He was full of life. They also ring through the air with a promise of hope.
So he didn't allow them to sit and conduct that business there.
He wasn't really afraid of anyone. He felt that if there was a problem in the neighborhood,
Weird. I'm gonna get my tools out.